Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyotirolla, and in this video I am going to do a spicy Q&A. I have never did any Q&A in my YouTube video ever. I have posted a story in my Instagram asking you guys to ask me a question, and so I'll be answering those questions here. If you are not following my Instagram, the link is in description. Do follow me. I do a lot of crazy stuff on my Instagram, really crazy stuff. So while answering the questions, I'll be doing my quick makeup. So the first one I have, so in this I have some personal questions and some of the fashion and makeup related questions. I have sneaked both the questions to have more spicy going on. So the first question is, have I met somebody special? Oh my god, I have seen a lot of guys asking me this on my Instagram, like do you want to go for a date and all that stuff, and I'm always like, okay, no, I'm not interested. It's like, okay, I don't want to go for any of the relationship things right now. I straight want to go for a marriage if I want to go for. That's what my like things are. Second question is, if you could change one thing that happened, what would it be? So the change I would like to make in my life, to be very honest, like I wanted to start my makeup career or the Instagram over 2015, and I had started after 4 years, which is so unfair, but here we are. So I just wanted to like start doing the things what I'm doing right now over 4 years previous. That's what I want to change, like in 2016 or 15. That was the time I wanted to start my YouTube, but I couldn't do it. So I wanted to start that. Like that would be a one thing I want to change in my life. Okay, the third question, how many pair of these shoes do I have? I don't have much pair of shoes, to be very honest. I might have like around less than 20. I know you would be like, it's too much. Still, I have lost in that thing, like how can I explain? During the lockdown, I had kept my shoes into a box, and that way my shoes, all my heels got fucked up. Like, sorry, fucked up is the wrong word to say. Like, it got screwed up, all things came peeled off straight, and so I lost my 5 to 6 heels in that, and those were my favorite heels. I don't want to suggest anyone to do that in life. I'm using Kylie Jenner lip oil just to give a little, my lips are getting dry. So the fourth question is, do you still have any toys from childhood? I don't think so. I own anything from my childhood stuff. No, I don't have any toys. That is really bad. The fifth question is, do I have ever seen a real fire gun? No, I haven't seen any real fire gun thing. I'm so sorry guys. I am not in that kind of thing. Yeah, sixth question is your first luxury bag. So my first luxury bag is a Dior, not actually, it's a Burberry backpack, and I love that backpack. It's my one of the favorite backpack which I use. Like, I still have that backpack from a really long time. I'll put an image here. Question number 7 is your latest eyeshadow palette. My latest eyeshadow palette is actually these two guys. I ordered from Nika. These are the one, Revolutions. I love it how it's performing on my eyes. I cannot give you a complete review. I'm going to make a complete first impression, or like for my complete review about these two palettes in the coming week. The question number is 8, your favorite pigment. So my favorite pigment is Chanel actually and Burberry. Those are the two brands perfume. I loved it. I recently got this vanilla tobacco from Tom Ford. I am not keen for that. Okay, the question is, what is your favorite style to wear? My favorite fashion style is more of a chic outfit. I like to dress up like according to my body type, according to my colors which can go. Those are like a chic style I prefer. Like, just going to apply here. What's your favorite jean style? My favorite jean style is how do I say it? I like a good fit jeans. I don't like baggy jeans or mom jeans. I like a good straight, not slim. One more makeup product that you can't live without. I cannot. I feel like even if I don't have a lipstick or lip gloss, I like to have a mascara on my eyes. I don't know, I just end up having some mascara before leaving home. Maybe that's the one which I always go for. So the next question is, how much time does it take for you to do a full face makeup? For me, depend. If usually take 25 minutes for me to do a makeup. The next question is, must have makeup beginning kit. For the makeup beginning kit, for the beginning makeup kit, you need to have one primer, foundation and concealer as a base, blush and highlighter to glow up, and for the eyes you need to have one kajal just to enhance your eyes, a liner just to make a quite good wing, and a mascara. And for the lips you need to have two lipstick shade at least for the beginning. One is a neutral nude lipstick which has an undertone of pink, and the second is like a little bit of pinky red tone one, so you can switch into both or you can mix both and have a nicer shades. Those two lipstick shade. You should always try to get a good matte lipstick which doesn't dry your lips. Have a good chopstick or a lip balm. Okay, somebody had messaged me on Instagram, asked me a question of meeting. It's very difficult for me meet to anybody around because I hardly get time for my friends, so it's very difficult for me to meet anybody outside my friends. I'll definitely like to see you guys. If you see me around and you know me who I am, please definitely come and interact with me. The next question is, how much I spend on shopping per month. So I actually spend a good numbers on my shopping. It's not that great. I wanted to change a lot of stuff. I wanted to do more shopping, but I'm not doing it. So the which store I do a shop a lot, that's what the question is. I have like not addicted to any certain store for the shopping, to be very honest. Right now I am like shopping here, shopping there. I'm trying to explore places, so nothing as such. Name your top Indian brands. So my top Indian brand for the makeup is Nykaa. Actually, to be very honest, they have a great product. My Glam is second, and third is for the makeup I'm talking about. So the third is Sugar. Those are the brands which I end up going and getting stuff from. This is a good semi-matte lipstick, to be very honest. My makeup is almost done. So this video was really fun. I had chit chat a lot with you guys. I really liked your questions. They were so interesting. I wasn't expecting you guys asking me certain stuff, but here we are. Such a crazy Q&A, spicy for sure. I really enjoyed doing this. Hope you guys do it soon. If you like such videos, do comment down and let me know. I'll definitely like to read all your comments. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you really enjoyed. Bye bye. Take care.